Just catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat? Yeah, hopping around in the two to make big pillows in the back. Got too many rounds in the Philly acres.
Can y'all see me? There's a moon in the back. Don't do it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, I look a mess right now in this video. Don't mind it. This is a maintenance vlog, so y'all are gonna see me get done up. I've never done a maintenance vlog before because I'm low-key low maintenance. But today, I'm getting my nails did. I gotta get my eyebrows did. One thing about it, I'll get my eyebrows did. I have to. But I really don't be getting my nails done. This is gonna be my first time going to the nail shop in a while. I'm excited. I really am excited because y'all know, like, when you just be looking busted for a while, you ready to look like something. That's how I'm feeling. Like, I'm just ready to look like something. I'm ready to look like something. Yeah, the nail shop don't open until like 10:30, so it's 9:37. 9:39 right now, so I got plenty of time. But I do want to show y'all something. 𝚰𝚻𝚻 sent me. I'm just saying, they ain't sent me nothing. I bought this, but I wish they would send me something. But y'all, the other day I was at work and this girl came in. She just smelled so like fresh and powdery and so good, and I was just like, girl, what is that? And she was like, it's Chanel No. 5. And I was like, okay, I want to try it out, but I don't know. It smelled exactly like what the girl had on. A lot of people, some people say that this smells old, but to me it smells like powder, like baby powder, and you can mix it with like a fruity scent. I'm going to the nail shop, so excited, y'all. Let me put me a little ring on, because I'm going to get my nail done. Y'all, I'm so down bad. My jewelry's in a bag. But I'm getting a jewelry box for Christmas. I got I'm putting this one on. I ain't sticking y'all no bird. It's just a little heart necklace. Not necklace, heart ring from Pandora. We're gonna pair it with the actual heart one. We're gonna put that on there and see what it look like. Put it on both hands. I'm just gonna wear one. Ooh, girl. I can't get this ring off. My finger got fat. I can't get this bug off. Oh, I'm just gonna wear this one because it's so cute when I get my nails. Okay guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. I guess, can y'all even see my face? I look just so busted and like, I'm in the car now. I'm on the way. Y'all, I put that perfume on that I was telling y'all about. I said perfume, Chanel No. 5. A lot of people say they give old. And honestly, you gotta mix it up because I sprayed a lot at first and I was like, this is kind of giving old. But once you mix it with something, it just gives the powder. I like the powdery scent. Anyways, let's have a jam session. I was on TikTok and I don't know how y'all know, how TikTok know about Trey G, but I've been on Trey G. Stupid. I got a boy, y'all. Pause. Y'all remember that era on Snapchat when everybody used to sing with their mouth turned up? But I low-key miss those days. This how I got sing so y'all can see my bun in the back. Yeah, baby, it's alright. Where's my purple on though? Put my baby in that ice, you see. Now my baby with a lover cause she rolling gelato. These folks is waiting at the door. Are you serious? What time is it? It's 10:08. No way I'm finna get some bull crap. I hate waiting for anything. I mean, I ain't got nothing else to do, so it's like, why wouldn't you wait? I look a mess. Oh my gosh. ugly as fuck.
You ugly as fuck. I just can't get over that.
I low-key don't want to even do this video until I get my hair done. Alright guys, I'm going to record when I get in there.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back.
Can you move that?
Yeah. Y'all, I just got done getting my nails in. I don't know if I like them. I feel like he just rushed on them. I mean, they look decent. They look okay. I was trying to record. I was trying to get a little footage and me getting my nails did. Table like right here. I have my arms right here. My camera right here. So it's not in his way. He was like, can you move that? And so I just put it up. I feel like they fat. Like, look at that. That's a picture. They fat. Like, there's no paint right there. Because he fouled it afterwards. Why would you do it? It don't matter. I ain't coming back here no more. Anyways, y'all, I'm going to get back with y'all when I'm getting my eyebrows done. Let me get my eyebrows done. This is what they look like before. I really just need them cleaned up. Honestly, you can tell where's my on the back. I go to the same girl every time. Sometimes she be messing up, but I can't go to nobody else. I'm gonna be so glad when I just look all put together.
You try to wash your face. Put some lamb shoot. You know lamb. Lamb is shower fruit. It's a lamb like a lemon.
Oh yeah. Lime.
Chop the cup water. You wash your face. It's a 45 cents.
Yeah. I just got done getting my eyes done. I didn't even look at them. She don't never talk to me that much. I mean, we do be talking, but I could understand what she said today. I could understand what she was saying. I know she was talking about skin. My hair still needs to be taken down and washed and blow dry. I'm probably gonna do that tonight. So this may be the end of today's part of this maintenance part for today. I'm probably just gonna see y'all tomorrow in the morning when I get my hair done. I actually look like so. Hey guys, I've been back home for, it's been a long time. It's like 8 o'clock. I'm just so amazed at my hair. Like, look at my afro. Like, it's 8 o'clock and I have to wash and blow dry this hair for in the morning. At first I was like, I'm gonna wait and do it in the morning. That ain't gonna work. I already know that ain't gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it now, which I don't want to. I just like my hair like this. I low-key don't even want to get it did. I just want to wear the afro. Just a little messy fro, just like this. And I only look right with just a messy fro. Okay, we're gonna be up all night. It ain't like I just got something to do or I'm just tired, because I'm not. Also, I gotta trim my hair too because I know my ends are just messed up. So I'm gonna trim my hair, but I really want to get a silk press and see what I'm giving because I ain't had a silk press in about 2-3 years. Ooh, that girl got some inches. The front way shorter though. I want my hair to be all even around. Just, you come a long way when you just used to be bald head. I'm just like, I wasn't never bald head, but like this is like the biggest and the longest I've ever seen my hair ever. That probably was a jump scare. Y'all wasn't expecting to see that, right? But anyway, let me get in the camera. Y'all, it is the next day. It's the morning of my hair appointment. I'm excited and I'm also nervous. I didn't even tell y'all what hairstyle I'm getting, but I'm getting a bob. A Bobbiana. I'm Bobbiana. Wait, how does that go? Getting a Bobbiana. That's not even go what I was talking about, but anyways, that's how my brain works. Right now, I'm about to do my lashes, y'all. My lashes, I just use the clusters. I use Fat Lash. This is from Amazon. And this is the size I use. I don't really just do like really long lash. I don't like to do the cat eye because I have almond shaped eyes, and the cat eye looks the best on me. The glue that I use is the Mascara Bond and Seal. I'm almost out of it, so hopefully I have enough. I'm using this mirror from Dollar Tree.
She give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best. She give me the X. Walk inside that bank, they give me the check. Make her cool crap with a money step. Keep her old stick, army vet. Keep my new chicks and on me wet. Pad on my neck, arm, leg.
Hey y'all, I'm actually running a little late. Not late, but I'm an on time girly, running behind schedule. But I'm trying to get my jewelry on. Might not can't get it because I got these nails on. My little Pandora bracelet. I only got 2 charms. There we go. Oh, I got it. Hey, I'm putting my watch on too. Alright, I think I'm ready. I just need my lip pencil. Let me get that before I forget. On this little 2-piece set from Target. And I got on my pink dunks. Rocking this purse. Let me show y'all the whole fit. I feel like I'm always wearing pink to not be a pink girly. But this is how it's coming. It ain't all together because the hair ain't did. But y'all get what I'm trying to go for. You man. I just left the house for my hair appointment and she said she needs to push it back. Why me? I'm not surprised though. As soon as I left out and was like I'm on the way, she was like we need to push it back, but she ain't say what time yet. But I still need to go to the bank anyway, so I'm just gonna go to the bank. I'm gonna talk to y'all whenever or if I get my hair done. Currently 11:15 and I'm on the way to get my hair did right now. So the hair I got, I wanted a bob, like a long bob, so I ordered an 18-inch wig. It's not really giving 18 inch, it's giving 16. I didn't want a short bob, I wanted it like shoulder length right here, and I'm gonna get a side part. So we're gonna see how it works. I really don't want like no short bob. Hopefully it can be like right here.
I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it all. I won't promise getting through. I'm not long if you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it, I've been scheming through it. I your body, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now.
Let me put my lens on, hold on, call y'all back. Y'all, I'm done. It came out exactly how I wanted it. And I'm just so cute. It came out how I wanted it. It's a bobby yonder, y'all. Is this considered a bob? Let me do my lip combo and put some more lip gloss on. Oh, I'm excited. I thought I wasn't gonna like it for real. I don't got nothing else to do today. This is the only thing I had to do. But I am hungry. I haven't ate nothing at all. This right here is NYX Fat Oil in the color Miss Call. Alright, I'm gonna call y'all back. Yeah, I forgot to put y'all up. I also need to take pictures. But I'm waiting for my food now.
There you go.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
I got me a Cobb salad. no tomatoes, and I'm gonna try the avocado lime dressing. I heard it's good. I ain't never tried it before, so. Oh my God, the sun just hit it right. It's even grown.